Consonant digraph CH. A consonant digraph is made of two consonants which join together to produce a single sound. Words that start with CH. Chalk, chain, chips, chair. Words that end with CH. Rich, bench, peach, torch. CHA. Chat, chain, charm, chase. CHE. Chew, cheat, cheer, chest. CHI. Chin, chick, child, chill. ACH. Beach, peach, reach, teach. NCH. Inch, hunch, lunch, punch. UCH. Much, such, couch, pouch. The children sit at the beach and eat lunch on the bench and chill on the couch.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.